So if you look at C, h of x is defined piecewise. Whenever x is less than 1, you're using this function here. And whenever x is greater than or equal to 1, you're using minus x plus 1. All right? So let's find the domain. So then ask this question to yourself. Is there any x that makes this function undefined? Well, absolute value of x is defined for all x. All it does is just to make the inside of the absolute value positive. And minus x plus 1 is defined for all x. So I can perfectly say that the domain of function h is all x's in between negative infinity and infinity. How about the range? Well, let's see what we can achieve from the first piece here. When x is less than 1, the corresponding values are absolute value of x plus 1. So it's always bigger than 1, right? Because no matter what you put here, for x, it's going to be positive. So you're adding something positive to 1 all the time. And when x equals negative 1 means you're going all the way to negative infinity, right? So you can achieve anything in between 1 and infinity in the range from the first part. So in other words, range includes anything from 1 to infinity. And from the second piece, let's see what we have here. So when x is greater than or equal to 1, the corresponding values are going to be what? 1 minus x. So you're subtracting those values coming from here from 1. Well, first off, when x equals 1, you achieve 0 to start with because it's minus 1 plus 1. When x equals 2, for example, you're getting what? Minus 1. So starting from 0, you go all the way to minus infinity, basically, because when x is bigger and bigger, you get like a minus of that number, bigger number, plus 1, so it's going to be a very small number. I'm going to write here that I can achieve anything and everything in between negative infinity and 0. So on the real line, if you want to see it that way, this is 0, this is 1. You can achieve anything and everything here. You can achieve anything and everything here, but not anything in between 0 and 1.